Whispers float on the velvet breeze. Stars blink like they're teasing me. Moonlight drips like silver wine. I lose my thoughts in the skyline. Sound melts into the night sky wide. Echoes dance where the shadows hide. A melody flows like a gentle sigh. Sound melts into the crickets hum their secret tune. Wolves serenade the rising moon. A symphony of worlds unseen, carried on air soft and serene. Sound melts into the night sky wide. Echoes dance where the shadows hide. A melody flows like a gentle sigh. Sound melts into the night sky. A falling star. Every beat takes me afar. In this dream I let go and glide, melting into the night skies tide. Clouds hung low like ghostly